down with that chopper, get him gone, don't do no faking, nigga. Flying left to right, we catching ops and get the freight. Say you want smoke a million, you don't want no smoke with me, little nigga.
Alright, we're doing Lawrence Springs on the car. I got them already in. Just trying to line up the O's, so let's see if I can give y'all some info on this because, Lord. The holes that we're getting lined up is that one and shit, and that one. So y'all can see what I'm using. I got Chinese tools, so don't clown me. But got this goddamn extension. That's what we finna try to spin it with. And I noticed on the video I was watching, they make it seem so fucking easy. They act like this damn exhaust don't get in the fucking way. Maybe it's just my exhaust. Maybe, I don't know. But this is all up in the fucking way. So, I'm gonna show y'all how to get around to that. So y'all don't have to have that in the fucking way. So, what I did was I took this shit off. That's what's holding it up. This is 2012. So if you got a newer one, you could just probably pop the diffuser off. But yeah, so I had to get that off. And then I hit that exhaust hanger up there so it can get all the way off so it could drop down. Hit that exhaust hanger right there. Didn't drop all the way down. We get that exhaust hanger right there. But if you're gonna be honest, fuck that shit. I don't feel like doing it. If y'all ever want to make it easy, just drop that exhaust hanger down. Got your damn extension. I did break my ratchet trying to free up the engine, so I'm using this as a ratchet. By the way, the damn battery's dead in this one. Can't find a charger for it either. So I'm gonna be buying a new charger for that. And this shit definitely works way better if you got two people, by the way. When I did that side, hey, it was me and another guy. Way easier. Definitely be nice if I had some damn power tools that could reach that, for sure. Or if this battery wasn't dead, I could just zip it all the way down in there. But doing shit old school. Doing shit old school with a new school. I just want to get in a nice spot so it holds position, so I can drop this jack down and put the other side, line it up a little bit better, and then we're gonna send it straight through. I don't know how everybody else do it, but this is how I'm doing it. Shit. I was just trying to get a better way of doing it when I was watching the video. That better way was the worst way. Yeah, it seemed easy until you fucking get into this motherfucker and start doing it. Whew. So I'm tired, man. This motherfucking arm is tired. Let me see. I'm gonna try to use these to get that hole kind of even. Kind of got a finger to hold. Make sure that bitch even.
Boy, if you don't.
Might be able to hit it with the okay. What's that? Bobo, come here. Come here. Come over here. Make sure he does not drop that, because he knows how to do it. Yeah. No, he did his damn self. I'm trying to kill him. Oh. Shit. I thought maybe I got small 15. Oh, got adapted to it. Yeah. I don't know how I got this bow down on this side, like that. Shit. Ain't a little bit. I am. I'm hungry for fixing this damn car. I don't know. That's not really my bad, bitch. I don't know. got move the deck. Go for it. This light kind. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I cut the camera off because that shit started getting serious. But we got it all done. Beat engine block Hinchey, but that's the new one. This one's still good though. It's really not good. I wouldn't get it. Like if anybody wants to buy it, you can buy it. But if you buy it, make sure you get new pistons, piston rings. You probably don't need new pistons. Pistons don't look bad. I'm more scared about what's going on with the rings because it was flooded. The walls are still good, just dirty, needs some cleaning. I got it to spin over. It did lock up though, but I did get the spin over. So if anybody wants to buy it, I can buy it. Y'all don't gotta give me too much shit for it. Give me like $500 for it, I'll give it to you. Let's show y'all how low this car is. Boom. Yeah, the fronts ain't done yet, but it's still gonna sit up high, even if the front was done, because I don't have the engine in it yet. But like, golly, look at that. Tires I want to put on it. I'm thinking, yeah, these are what, 245s? Yeah, these are 245s. I'm thinking about putting 275 40s instead of the 45, so it can fit. Maybe. But this side that was already done, so I'm gonna show you the other side. This side, it hasn't fully dropped yet. It's still gonna drop, so you still gotta wait on it. But, yeah. Yeah. That's it right there. Got that all situated. Now I just gotta do the front ones. The front ones are way easier, so that's why I did the rear first, because I wanted to hurry up and get that out the way first. We gotta get some new front bumpers. I don't like this one. It's cool and all, but I want the newer style bumpers. They look nicer. I know we already good at the cast. I haven't got the sensor yet for it. I mean, not the sensor, the adapter. So still gotta get that. Yeah, we're almost done. Almost done. Let's give it time. Definitely gonna be running by the summer though. I'm shooting for next month. We're gonna be basically, on the next video, we're gonna be tearing down the engines. So basically already tearing down this engine. We still gotta get this off, the timing cover off, and the oil pan, so we can swap it over to that one. Because if you don't know, that's from a truck. So it is a Hemi still though, but it's from a truck. So we're gonna swap over everything from there. Swap over, we already got the heads, it's getting ported in the machine. And then timing cover, got that from over here. Gonna swap that over. Oil pan, we're gonna do all that, swipe it all over. Then, oh yeah, then we're gonna put the cam in. Forgot about that. Then we're gonna put the cam in, and should be ready to roll. But we're probably gonna do all that on the next video. We might set the engine in, but we're probably not gonna start it up. We're probably gonna set the engine in. That's probably gonna finish it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't, your mom's gay.
Fall down with that chopper, get him gone, don't do no faking, nigga. Flying left to right, we catching off and get the freight. Say you want smoke, nigga, you don't want no smoke with me, little nigga. Bounce out with that chopper, 2 switches, don't get a nigga hit. Say you with that shit, we left your partner